Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and I am beyond excited to feature another awesome creator in the Model Airport community. Today I do have Tug Designs. They're kind of new to the 3D printing world, and so far I'm pretty impressed. So without further ado guys, let's go take a look at Tug Designs. I do love the name Tiny Tug. Really cool. You guys can check them out at Instagram at tinytugdesigns.com. Did come in this nice package here, very securely packaged, so really happy with that. And I do have them all set up already. So let's start right here. So they do have these awesome loaders for your aircraft. Check it out. And these are actually like really true to 1:400 scale. Very impressed. You can see it. Let's compare it to the Fantasy Wings right here. Check that out. Really cool. Lots of details here. So let me zoom in quick. I do like the look of these. Really stylish. Great job, Tiny Tug. Great job indeed. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys picking some of these up. I did pay for these with my own money. I'm just trying to have more variety on my model airports. I'm trying to change up the game here and just have more variety. So super cool, very impressed. Go get these now at tinytugdesigns.com. It's their email, and they sell on eBay and Instagram. All right guys, let's go with the next product here. Next up, we have probably my favorite, the Tug Designs DeIer Trucks. These are so awesome, so realistic. I love the little buckets on them. Just, I don't know guys, I'm really impressed. I'm really happy. This looks so realistic. I was gonna put some fake snow down, but you guys will see that in a later video of my JFK airport, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, like an army of them. They're mobilizing, as LA Flights would say. They're mobilizing onto the aircraft here and putting that heavy de-ice propellant on the plane. I do have a couple extra packs here too. I'll get them out of my next video. But yeah, highly recommend it. Guys, Tug Designs, very impressed indeed. Let's move on to our next product here from Tug. So guys, last up in this quick video of Tug Designs products, we have the operation vehicles, how you want to call them, or however you guys would like to call them. Do have them here in a Flying V Escort in this mighty British Airways A380-800. Look at that. I will be using these on all my layouts actually, and I do plan on ordering a lot more from Tug Designs in the near future. Like I said, I'm just trying to add more variety to my airports. Really cool. Let me get you guys another shot of this. So they do come in pickup truck format and looks like a little van or car format, which is really cool. I do like the variety here. Super cool. Guys, I don't know what to say. I'm just really impressed. So thank you, Tug Designs, for sending me these awesome products. Like I said, I did pay for these with my own money, but you guys can check out my Instagram for a discount and a link below too on their products. Shout out Tug Designs. Again, thank you very much, Tiny Tug. So yeah, guys, as if you did not just hear that, I am going to be doing a winter update on my JFK airport. It's a lot of work to kind of get the snow and sprinkle it around and, you know, but I think it's worth it. So wintertime, I was planning to do this around Christmas time, but I never really got to it. So I'm still putting my LAX away. I might keep part of it out. And yeah, also spoiler alert, if you guys are watching this video, I do have so these products in the background here, these layouts of the backdrops, they're from trainjunkies.com. They also sell them on eBay, like HO scale, N scale. I've been doing N scale because it's kind of closest to the 1/400 that it gets. Anyways, I do have a Hawaii one coming for my Kahului airport, so guys, stay tuned. That's going to be amazing, as well as one backdrop for Colorado of the Rocky Mountains. So yes, Denver. So Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys. And also again, one more time, shout out to Tug Designs. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.